Ever tried to settle in for a movie night, only to be met with a frustrating message, too many devices streaming? Or perhaps you've been on the go, hoping to catch up on your favorite show, but your streaming service just won't let you log in on that new tablet. It's a common scenario, and it brings up a crucial question for anyone using streaming services, including Neon. Does Neon have a device limit? And if so, what exactly does that mean for you, the viewer? For many, the convenience of streaming lies in its accessibility. You want to be able to pick up where you left off, whether you're on your smart TV at home, your laptop at a cafe, or your phone during your commute. But behind that seamless experience, streaming providers often have rules in place to manage usage and prevent account sharing. These rules typically involve device limits. So, let's cut to the chase regarding Neon. Yes, Neon does have a device limit. This isn't unique to Neon. Most major streaming services implement similar restrictions. The good news is that Neon's policy is quite generous and offers a fair amount of flexibility for most households. Specifically, Neon allows you to register up to 5 different devices on your account. This means you can have your main living room TV, a bedroom TV, a couple of smartphones, and a tablet all registered to your Neon account. That covers a pretty wide range of viewing habits for a single user or even a small family. But what happens if you get a new device, or perhaps you're upgrading an old one? Neon understands that technology evolves and people change their devices. To accommodate this, they also allow you to remove a total of 12 devices from your account per year. This yearly allowance for removals is a key feature, as it means you're not permanently stuck with an old and used device taking up one of your precious 5 slots. It gives you the freedom to manage your registered devices throughout the year without feeling penalized for new tech purchases. Now, it's important to differentiate between registered devices and simultaneous streams. While you can register up to 5 devices, Neon typically allows for 2 simultaneous streams at any given time. This means that while 5 different devices might be logged into your account, only 2 of them can be actively playing content at the exact same moment. This is a standard practice across the streaming industry, designed to balance user convenience with preventing widespread account sharing. For most families, having 2 simultaneous streams is usually sufficient, allowing different members to watch different shows or movies at the same time. Managing your devices on Neon is also straightforward. Usually, when you log into Neon on a new device and start playing content, it automatically registers that device to your account, provided you haven't already hit your 5-device limit. If you need to check which devices are registered or remove an old one, you can typically do this through your Neon account settings on their website. It's a simple process, usually found under a Device Management or My Account section. Understanding these limits is crucial for a smooth streaming experience. If you find yourself hitting the device limit, it's worth taking a moment to review your registered devices and remove any that you no longer use. This quick cleanup can prevent interruptions and ensure you always have access to your Neon content on your preferred screens. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.